Hello and welcome back, everybody. If your Opera GX browser is lagging, freezing, or slow on Windows, today we'll fix it step by step and make your browser run smooth again. So let's just dive right in and get started. Access your Opera GX application for that, and once you are there, we can clear cache and browsing data. So for that, look out for your settings option. Click on it, and once you access your settings, go to privacy and security, and within there, you need to look out for this option of deleting browsing data. So find it up, open it up, and within there, you can select this option of cookies and other site data and make sure these two options are enabled, cached images and bars as well, and confirm it up by clicking and confirming deleting the data. Once this is done, you can close the application for a while and access the application once again. Apart from that, you can disable the GX control limits temporarily. So Opera GX has GX control to limit CPU, RAM, etc. So you can just go and adjust it. Open up Opera GX for that. And within there, you can just go over and limit the CPU uses if available from here, or you can do it within your device as well. So you can just go and do so. You may just go over and access your GX basics and control it from here. You can adjust these settings available. Apart from that, you can update your Opera GX. So for that, you can just go over and look out for your Opera GX itself and look out for update if there is any update available. You can look out for update, you can go to Opera help, or even look out for the update within and just go over and update your browser to the latest version. When a new version is available, usually it should automatically update itself. And also disable any kind of unnecessary extensions. So for that, look out for your extensions in your Opera GX, and within here, if there are any kind of unnecessary one, you can just go over and delete those. You can remove it, you can disable these options right here and probably remove it from your device, from your Opera GX. Apart from that, what we can do is within your Opera GX, go to your settings, and from your settings, go over and look out for the advanced options if that is available, or system. So you can search for system and go to system available, and from here you can just go over and try toggling this option on or off and restart to see the browser to see which one works better, because hardware acceleration helps with the performance, but sometimes it may cause the lag, so you can check it out. And also disable the background application processes while you are accessing the application. You may close this off for now. Go to your task manager, and within your task manager, go over and look out for the background applications that may be running. Right click on it, select the option of end task, and end task on heavy applications like Discord, Steam, etc. that may be using the RAM too much. And that's it. Following up these steps should be fixing the Opera GX lagging on your Windows. If this video helped, hit the like, subscribe, comment below, and thank you for watching this video.